So when I was really young, probably kindergarten or first grade, I have a much older brother, and we'd go out to recess, and there was this older guy, he might have been in like 5th or 6th grade, that always used to pick on us, and I didn't really know what to do about it, and I definitely looked up and completely trusted what my brother did.
Today we went to a high school and I pet and held many different animals.
I was posing for a picture with all of my girlfriends when all of a sudden one of them reached over.
Can you read my lips?
Can you read
My lips.
Can you read?
Can you read my lips? Can you read her lips?
My God, Clementine loves bread. She stole a loaf off the counter.
Can you read his lips?
I have 2 dogs, one boxer, she's 7.5, and one mixed breed who's 8.
I am deaf, but my word. What the is a hairy one. I rely on the visual, not the auditory. The word lip reading implies reading, like reading a book
whose text is legible and clear.
But the human face isn't a book, and lip reading isn't reading. People mumble, people talk fast and laugh loudly, people have facial hair like porcupines, lips like sphincters, people cover their mouths, people have accents. But real conversations don't take place in a studio.
Growing up, I used to...
I'm putting together a puzzle without all the pieces. I lock in on your mouth. I try to grasp with one sense information intended through another. There have been times when I've questioned why I even tried to lip read, to wade through this swamp, when I could just use sign language. Some deaf people choose to do just that. It's like a different word. A word filled with rich expression and culture. When people sound, they come alive. But I know I want both words. Communication is never a given.
Tuesday, I woke up, had a
And
rash.
she just pulled my dress down.
When I was little, my family
was
got a
out.
cat.
Like, why don't
Wednesday
you just
morning.
hit him in the
I
face?
held
That was like the
snake,
last thing that I ever
a guinea
wrote.
pig.
Last winter I learned
and
how to
2 different
skate.
kinds of
I only cried twice.
But when the reading works, when I focus on one legible face and launch into a conversation, something clicks. Right then, I feel something extraordinary.
Implies
Human
reading connection.
Connection.